You know what I'm scared of? Today is finally the day I decide whether or not to jump with a rope on my leg. The Bloukrans Bungy is one of those most iconic spots of the world. It's such a beautiful bridge. The scene is that you have to bungee from the middle of the bridge. So you jump down and I don't even know how to say it, man. It's not that I have a fear of heights, I have a fear of dying. Who doesn't? You know, somewhere the holiday brain is kicking in now, and part of me, by my 10th day here, is like, just jump it.
Okay, hello, my name is Kurt, and welcome to Bloukrans Bungy. This is Africa's highest bridge. It's 216 meters, and our catwalk is 200 meters. So you're more than welcome to come and enjoy your activity here with us.
Dude, I'm jumping to my death. You're asking me to enjoy it.
Yes.
Come on, I haven't done anything like this. I'm
Is
scared.
it?
Yeah.
Man, you know what? We take care of your safety as long as you can just dive out and enjoy yourself here.
Kurt, so should I jump knowing Kurt's told me to jump?
Yes. And you don't look down, just look up, dive out, and fly down.
You got it. Let's
Yes.
go.
Enjoy.
Let's go! Come on! It's like you all survived the bungee.
Nice.
Yeah.
Are you gonna jump?
Yeah.
Oh yes, you
I
gotta.
really don't know. I want to because I want to get a nice video of me going like, oh! See you guys. Good luck, man. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
It's a live TV where you can see what's happening down at the bridge. No, not happening. Still not happening. You know, as much as we say when you're up there, right? That moment before you want to jump, it's real. That's what's happening to me in 1 hour. Sir, you raised a fighter. Hi, I'm good. Sakir.
Menzo.
Nice to meet you.
So we are going to start with the workout time now.
Right.
For 2 o'clock.
Those are not even shoes.
Those are
That's just
slippers.
some straps on your legs. What's that?
So that is what the bungee cord is made out of.
Belly bar jumping. Belly jump. For two. For two.
I don't know what to say. I'm speechless. It's one of the rare few times. Fuck. I'm like, I don't know what to say. I'm really
Ganpati Papa.
Morias.
What is that?
You're jumping too?
No, I'm ziplining.
Is it just that 1 second before you finally jump it?
Yes, that's the worst part. And then when you bounce back up.
You're gonna laugh, no?
I'm coming. Dude, I'm only doing something because I'd rather watch you. Once we both finish that, because you'll also have
I'm
to
not
take-
feeling very good about this. I feel we should just go back. It was all like
ये ज़्यादा है।
fun and games from the cafe.
मस्ती हो रही थी।
Yeah, now it's gotten real.
ये ज़्यादा है।
बाल भी चूतिया लग रहे हैं आज.
और खराब हो
जाऊंगा
जाएगा
भी
देखो।
चूतिया. हाँ.
And the way to jump is your toes over the edge, arms out, head up, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You bend your knees and then you push yourself forward. You jump as far forward as you can head first. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Let's do this.
Check this out. Well done. Dude, even this is something. But you know what I'm saying? Check out the ocean. There's the ocean behind you. And then you're now on this bridge. Yes. I never thought I would do this. Like, never. I'm still fucked out. But you know, this looked so much easier when I was sitting over there watching it on TV. Now that I'm here, I don't know. I can't do that.
And why are you jumping today?
I don't know. To be honest, why am I jumping today? I don't know. Oh. This is like this. That's what I'm seeing. That's what I see, yes. Yes. Right.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
Bungy! Whoa! Oh. Wow. Wow. I feel like I'm flying. Oh, wow. Oh. So here? Oh, I never thought you'd come. Ah. Ah. Oh, wow.
Yep, man.
I'm good, bro. I thought my ankles were coming out a little bit.
ankles.
No. So I kept my legs as stiff as I could, bro.
Look here, man. You can hold here. You can pull yourself
I'll hold
up.
myself
Make it more
up.
comfortable.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Good. First jump.
Oh, first jump, bro.
Congratulations, man.
Fuck.
Tell me, how was it?
Oh, man. You know, there comes 2 or 3 moments when you feel it's gone and then you
Yeah.
let it go. I just feel you let it go.
And the nice thing is like the after feeling.
The after feeling, yes. And also this.
Next thing as well.
Absolutely. And you keep swirling. I think I twirled and I swirled and I was like, fuck, is this
Yes,
right?
man.
Oh my god. Look who made it back!
Bunny, just tell us, how was it?
Oh, dude, I can't tell you. This is just real. And there are moments, you know, I was twirling and I was swirling after the first jump, between the second and the third. And when he comes to get you, it feels like eternity. I'm just hanging, hoping he comes. But wow, what an experience. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you for getting me safe, man. Fuck, thank you. Thank you, bro. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, brother. Thank you. There's a time. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
God bless you. God bless you. Keep it going.
Ours like and subscribe, please, for a festival called life.
What a feeling this is, man. I don't know about Bloukrans or wherever in the world, but once you should bungee jump. You know that especially that 2 seconds before you jump, where you just finally let go. Whoa. It's been like 5 days on the garden route, and wow, every day there is something or the other new to experience. This is my first bungee jump ever. And at the Bloukrans Bridge, one of the highest or the highest bungee of South Africa. Wow. Come, let's quickly go and shop something now and let's head into another hotel. Let's check into one more beautiful places in the garden route, Plettenberg Bay. So I've bungeed here. I'm going to pick up a souvenir for
souvenir,
sure.
let's pick up. Let's take something small.
Thank you. We'll be back. One of the giraffes, the one you liked at
Obviously.
the first.
Well,
you
we
wanna
take it from
see?
the green guy, right?
Yes.
He's waited for us for a while.
Yes.
So let's get ourselves a nice cute giraffe from the famous bungee spot.
As promised, brother.
Yes, sir. And
I promised you if I
and you
survive.
yes, sir. And you deserve a good price for it because you made a promise, and I'm so happy. 250.
200, brother, and I'll send a lot more people. Okay?
I care.
Love it.
Is it okay, sir? Daddy?
Yes, thank you.
It's a
We-
pleasure.
Take it.
Yeah, we
Take-
would just need a little wrap on it.
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate,
Welcome to Bloukrans Bridge and hope you don't miss my
no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't feel good.
Every word I move so discreet.
This looks so much easier when I was sitting over there watching it on TV. Now that I'm here, I don't know. I can't do it.
I I got facts over tracks, this and that.
I don't know. To be honest,
why am I jumping today? But I don't know if that can erase all the past.
It's just something I never thought I'd do. I've skydived before, but then I think it's nicer because someone's with you and I asked him, you're like, just have to let go. I hope. I'm letting it go. I'm letting it go.
I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I'm gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Break it down and let you go, make yourself unstoppable.
Oh, dude, I
Responsible, but they're always possible.
Just real. And there are moments, you know, I was sweating and I was sweating after the first half, between the second and the third. And when it comes to get you, it's like eternity. I'm just hanging, hoping it comes, but wow, what an experience.
I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages of vacant modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell,